Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'll be showing you a simple tricks I use. Maybe you're driving and the D light is blinking on your Honda car or your Acura car. This is a very easy thing to do, and you don't need to stress yourself. And it's very dangerous driving when your D light is blinking. Yes, it's very dangerous. It can damage your transmission. Yes, it can damage your transmission. Most times Honda transmission are very strong, but if you go to the wrong mechanic, they will damage your transmission. Some will tell you have to rebuild, some will tell you blah blah blah. No, before you do anything on your transmission, first scan the whole sensor on this transmission. Yes, sometimes it's your sensor that is bad. So when the D light is blinking on your RMP here, this D light here will be blinking. You see the D light, it's on park now. If it is blinking on the D light here, then you have to change your gear 3 and 4. Yes, gear 3 and 4. It's underneath your car at the driver's side here, just below your transmission. The gear 4 is standing alone. You can see it with the switch entering it. Gear 3 has a cover where you can just open it and fix it. I will show you that in my video. So this is the simple tricks to fix your D light blinking. Don't panic. It's very simple. Let me show you gear 3 and 4. It comes like this. You can see this switch comes almost the same. You can see the inside, almost the same pin. Yes, you can see almost the same pin. It comes with one pin. You can see one pin. So this is gear 3 and 4. And sometimes your gear 3 and 4 might be bad in terms of maybe it has more carbon. You can just use carbon cleaner to clean this inside, dry it and put it back and test drive and see if it works. If it doesn't work, then you need to change this. So I hope with these few points you learn how to fix your D lights blinking. So thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe, please like, please click on the bell button so you can get a notification whenever I drop a new video. Guys, please support my channel. Please, you can take me up, you can send me a DM, contact me, and I will definitely reply.